He just ran him off the road. Yeah.
Yes.
Well, no, he not. He's still going. He's turning in. Where is he going?
Bro, y'all won't believe what just fucking happened to me, bro. I just got ran off the fucking road by a semi truck. Like, bro. Like, this shit is insane, bro. Oh my god. Like, bro, I literally just almost got ran off, almost fucking smashed by a semi truck. But I literally had to turn to the left or I would have been crushed, bro. Fucking bumper is fucked, bro. This is insane. Like, bro, I can't never win. Damn, it's like under it's like a bucket right there. What? It's like a bucket. Oh, yo, we just pulled this bitch out, bro. This damage is fucking crazy, bro. Like, oh my god. I think it's my fucking screw. Shit is crazy. Bro, this shit is fucking crazy, bro. Like, damn. Bro, this damage is insane. I literally knocked over that mixer, bro. Like, bro. My car looks so fucked, but it's not even fucked. It's literally only like, it's only messed up in the front. Like, this like side panel, and then it's like this fucking bumper. Shit is crazy, bro. I can't even talk, bro. I'm so shook up. This is the aftermath of the crash, bro. I got sand every fucking way, bro. Like, bro. My car is still drivable and stuff, but like, damn, bro, I can't believe that just happened, bro. Like, bro, I don't know what I should do. If I should like get like a claim or like should I like fix it myself? Because like the damage was not that bad, bro. Like, it's really not that bad, but like, fuck, bro, I just really almost got ran off the road by a damn semi truck. Like, this shit is crazy. All right, y'all, bro, this is the aftermath, bro. This is insane. Like, bro, this like some, I don't know what this is, bro. It's like something from the construction. It's like under my car. I can't pull this. It's making a noise when I turn. But as y'all can see, the damages is like, it's like coming off right there. It's like right there coming off. Like right there too. It's cracked right there. This whole bumper just needs to be fucking replacing it right there. But everything else was good though. Like, it's crazy, bro. I promise y'all. I can just wash the car. It's no scratch. It's literally like damn near untouched. I'm not gonna lie, I got so fucking lucky. I'm just glad I'm fucking alive, bro. Like, I literally almost got smashed by a fucking semi truck. Yo, bro, this is insane. Like, look at this shit. Bro. I'm so fucking sad right now, bro. This is crazy. And all my little pieces are coming off. Like, I got like a whole bunch of these things right here in my car. Damn, bro. Fuck, bro. Oh my god. Man, make sure y'all run up this video, bro. Make sure y'all watch my videos, bro. I gotta get monetized now, bro. I gotta pay to get this car fixed. Like, fuck. If I make a claim, bro, my shit it's gonna go fucking sky high, bro. My shit gonna be like $2,000, bro. Like, fuck. Man, make sure y'all like the video, though. This is insane, bro. Oh my god. Scatpack down. Well, it ain't even down, it drive, but like, who the fuck wanna drive? Like, bro. All right, what up, YouTube? I'm about to show y'all the damages real quick, man. And look at how gloomy it is out. Of course it's gonna be gloomy, bro. Raining and shit. Fucking sad ass day, bro. I'm sad as fuck. But let me show y'all this damages, man. So, we got this right here, corner panel. And then we got this right here. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, like, I'm sad as fuck, don't get me wrong, but like, it's not that bad. I'm not gonna lie, it's not that bad. Like, I would rather have this done than like me be dead, bro, because I literally could have just fucking died. Like, bro, this shit is insane. Like, my fucking bumper coming out. I need to stop cussing. My bumper coming out and stuff, like, it's like cracked over here. It's like a crack right there. I don't know if y'all can see that crack. Then it's another crack right here. And then the paint is stripping off right there. Bro, like, but it don't, like, I'm trying to, like, be happy and shit, you know? I'm trying to, like, cheer up. It's not that bad. If you really look at it, it's not that bad. Like, it's not that bad. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I'm not tripping. Like, I'm not tripping. Like, if somebody said I wouldn't care, I mean, like, it is what it is. It's not, I've seen worse. But, like, this is, like, bro, like, this is, like, wow. And then I got a chip right here on my door. I thought it wasn't nothing, but I got a little scrape right there. I don't think it's anywhere else, but, I mean, it's not that bad. I mean, it was cement everywhere. So I had to come to the car wash to clean my car because it was going like make my paint disappear. I don't know. Somebody said it was gonna fuck it up, but I didn't really bring what I needed. Like I just came straight here. Like I don't know, bro. My paint at this point, fuck it. Like damn. But y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all like I'm gonna make another video. I'm gonna make like a story time on what happened, bro. This shit is insane. Like I don't even want to talk about it now. That shit too traumatizing, bro. Like fuck, almost got fucking smushed by a semi. Like damn. Like bro, like I literally had to swerve off the road, bro. Like y'all don't even understand, bro. But yeah, man, like if y'all live in Michigan or like know somewhere in Michigan where I can go to like get my car fixed or like, you know, like just checked out and fixed the shit, like please let me know. Like because it's not that bad. It's just the front bumper and then like this quarter panel right here. It's just this. It's not bad. It's literally not bad. But like if y'all know any places in Michigan or like if you do live in Michigan and can help me, like please let me know because I just don't want to make no insurance claim. If I make a claim, bro, my shit gonna go fucking sky high. Like bro, my shit probably gonna be like $2,000, bro. Like my shit already like high as fuck. It ain't like in the thousands, but it's high as fuck. So if y'all can help me, like just tell me where I can go to get this fixed. Like someone that's willing to help me, like just let me know. Let me know in the comments. Like I would say DM me on Instagram, but I ain't got no Instagram right now. But I don't think I'm active on my Instagram because I need some help, like, quick. But y'all, just let me know what I should do. Other than that, I'm going to catch y'all later.